My beloved child, breathe. Release the tension that grips your shoulders, the furrow in your brow, the anxieties that cling to you like shadows. Do not let the whispers of fear dictate your steps, nor allow the illusions of this world to dim the radiant light that resides within you. Right here in this present moment, I offer you sanctuary. I offer you solace. I offer you me. Come, rest your weary spirit in the haven of my unconditional love. This hour, unforeseen breakthroughs await, woven into the fabric of your existence. But first, cultivate a spirit of expectation, not passive waiting, but active knowing. Declare it silently, then aloud. I am open to receive the abundance of God's blessings. I trust in His perfect plan. Feel the resonance of these words, the vibration of truth within your very being. Let them infuse your soul with courage and ignite the flame of hope that flickers within, yearning to burn bright. Today and every day I witness your perseverance. I perceive the battles you fight, both seen and unseen. But I am closer than the air you breathe, ever present, ever watchful, with arms outstretched in perpetual welcome. Surrender to my embrace. Allow my boundless love to permeate the deepest recesses of your heart. Do not permit the fleeting concerns of this world to convince you that you are forsaken, for I am your steadfast anchor, your unwavering foundation. I am the strength that sustains you when your own reserves are depleted. You will no longer stumble through darkness, blinded by doubt, grasping for fleeting reassurances that dissolve like mist. You will no longer be tormented by the ghosts of yesterday, haunted by regrets that have long been forgiven. My grace encompasses you, a boundless ocean of mercy and compassion. I do not hold your past against you. I do not seek retribution or demand penance. My purpose is to awaken the dormant potential within you to ignite the spark of divinity that resides in your soul. I do not desire for you to cower in fear, convinced that every shadow holds a threat. No, you will not be overwhelmed. You will not be consumed. You will not falter. Your destiny is ordained. Your soul is woven into the tapestry of eternity, and the assurances I have given you will be your compass, guiding you through every storm, illuminating your path through every uncertainty. Embrace my counsel. You were not designed to journey through life in isolation. You were created for profound connection, for intimate relationship with me. Yet so often, the distractions of the world, the relentless pursuit of fleeting pleasures, drown out my still, small voice. You strive, you achieve, you accumulate, yet you question whether my promises are genuine, whether I am truly working all things together for your ultimate benefit. I am. Even when your senses cannot perceive it, even when the terrain seems barren and unforgiving, my hand is orchestrating. Believe, I have never withdrawn my love. My faithfulness transcends any earthly circumstance, any fleeting emotion. When doubt assails you, seek my face, my forgiveness. Know that I do not condemn, I do not judge. I extend my hand in grace and tenderness. Understand that my forgiveness is immediate, complete, and everlasting. I will never reject a contrite heart, a spirit yearning for reconciliation. I acknowledge your vulnerability, your uncertainties, even the silent pleas that escape your lips unbidden. Nothing escapes my loving gaze. Even in your moments of greatest weakness, I am drawing you closer, inviting you into the sanctuary of my presence. Picture yourself cradled in my everlasting arms, sheltered from the storms, bathed in the radiant light of my unconditional love. Find respite in the warmth of my embrace. Allow my peace to permeate your being, stilling the tempest within. My love for you is not predicated on your performance, your achievements, or the outward appearance of unwavering devotion. I love you simply because you are my creation, my child, my beloved. Nothing can diminish that. Nothing can separate you from the boundless ocean of my love. No past transgression, no present fear, no future uncertainty is greater than my infinite mercy. Breathe deeply of my peace. Release the shackles of anxiety and step into the glorious freedom of knowing you are eternally cherished, completely known, and unconditionally adored. Feel the unwavering security of my presence, the absolute assurance that you are safe within my care. Banish the insidious voices of self-condemnation that whisper lies of inadequacy. I formed you in your mother's womb, and I declared you good, precious, and worthy of immeasurable love. Dedicate time to communion with me, not merely in moments of desperation, but as a continuous thread woven through the tapestry of your everyday existence. Set aside a sacred space, a quiet haven where you can connect with me, converse with me, attune your ear to my still, small voice. The more diligently you seek my presence, the more profoundly you will encounter me. And in that encounter, you will realize I have been your constant companion, your faithful guide, your unwavering support all along. I long for you to experience the breathtaking depth of my love, a love that transcends human understanding, a love that transforms, heals, and sets free. I yearn to fill you with a faith that is unshakable, a fortress against the storms of life, a beacon of hope in the darkest night. But you must cultivate that space within your heart. I will not force my way into a closed heart. I await your invitation, your willingness to surrender, your desire for deeper communion. Let your spirit find rest, find solace, find home in my unwavering presence. Know that I am the architect of your destiny, the keeper of your future. I am neither distant nor indifferent. I am actively engaged, whispering words of comfort, guidance, and unwavering hope. Lean into my embrace and allow me to lead you step by step along the path I have ordained for you. Hold fast, my precious one. Do not succumb to weariness. The path before you may be challenging, but it is paved with purpose and destined for glory. I am refining you, strengthening you, preparing you for a future that exceeds your wildest imaginations. Be patient, for my timing is impeccable. The dreams I have planted deep within your heart are not forgotten. They are germinating, growing, preparing to blossom in their appointed season. I am orchestrating events, aligning circumstances, working in ways that are currently imperceptible to you. A future overflowing with hope, joy, and unimaginable blessings awaits you. Even when the present feels burdensome, continue steadfastly on your path, fueled by faith and unwavering trust. I will never forsake you. Every tear that falls is collected in my bottle. Every whispered prayer, every silent longing is heard and acknowledged. Your season of waiting is not a period of emptiness. It is a time of preparation, of growth, of deepening your roots in my unwavering love. Even when you feel isolated, know that I am moving mountains on your behalf. Obstacles that seem insurmountable will crumble, doors that appear sealed will swing open, and burdens that weigh you down will be lifted in my perfect timing. Remember always who you are, my beloved, my cherished creation. Chosen, redeemed, and eternally loved. Let my promises be the anchor that holds you steady, my love the haven that shelters you, my voice the compass that guides you. I am with you always and forever. Rest in the certainty of my presence and know that you are never, ever alone. When the night seems endless, when your heart aches with uncertainty, I am cradling you in my arms. Do not succumb to fear, for I am your vanguard, clearing the path before you, creating opportunities where none seem to exist. You will witness my faithfulness unfold in miraculous ways in your life, in your relationships, in your circumstances. You are loved beyond comprehension, and my strength will never fail to uphold you. Rest in my peace, knowing that I am eternally present, perpetually listening, and endlessly loving you. When you gaze towards the heavens and perceive only threatening clouds, ominous darkness, and the potential for storms, pause and offer thanks with a full heart for the countless blessings I have bestowed upon you. It is my deepest desire that your family flourishes in their knowledge of me, that they comprehend my word, and that they experience the profound sense of love, acceptance, and protection within the sanctuary of your home. Let your home be a wellspring of refreshment, a haven of peace after the trials and tribulations of the day. May all those you cherish return to it with a sense of profound tranquility, knowing that my presence permeates their beings and resides within their hearts. Let my peace permeate your dwelling like a gentle rain. Dedicate time to me each day and commit to sharing this practice with your family. Speak words of life and encouragement to your children. Embrace your teenagers with understanding and compassion. Visit and honor your elders. Let no one within your sphere of influence experience hunger or loneliness. Extend your hand in generosity and compassion, and I will provide the resources necessary to meet their needs this week and beyond. Diligently follow my guidance. Listen attentively to my voice each morning and share these words of encouragement with your friends and loved ones. Draw close to me and find solace in my unwavering embrace. I see your heart, I know your aspirations, I hear your unspoken prayers. I am intimately aware of the burdens you bear, the challenges you long to overcome. As your faith deepens, as you surrender your will to mine, my love will flow unhindered into every corner of your life, bringing healing where there is brokenness, abundance where there is lack, and blessings that surpass your wildest imaginations. The more diligently you seek my face, the more profoundly you will discover that my presence is the most precious treasure you could ever hope to possess. Cultivate a spirit of unwavering faith and witness as my transformative love revolutionizes your home, your heart, and your future. Your faith is like a tender seedling, a fragile promise of abundant life. As you nurture it with unwavering trust, devoted prayer, and consistent obedience, it will blossom into a magnificent garden, overflowing with beauty, joy, and blessings beyond your comprehension. Do not be discouraged when answers to your prayers seem delayed or when circumstances appear unfavorable. I am working behind the scenes, orchestrating events in ways that are currently imperceptible to you, preparing blessings that will manifest in my perfect timing. Just as a mighty oak requires years to reach its full stature, so does your faith require time, patience, and unwavering cultivation. Remain steadfast. Continue your journey with me, trusting implicitly in my promises, for they are eternal, unwavering, and true. I will never abandon you, and my plans for you are overflowing with goodness, hope, and abundant life. Even during seasons of waiting, of uncertainty, of seeming silence, I am actively working all things together for your ultimate benefit. Trust implicitly in the unfolding process, for I am the master weaver, intricately threading every detail of your life into a breathtaking masterpiece of grace, purpose, and unconditional love. Envision yourself nestled securely in my arms, enveloped by the radiant warmth of my love, liberated from the crippling grip of fear and anxiety. I do not desire for you to live a life consumed by worry and apprehension, for I am your steadfast provider, your compassionate healer, your unwavering refuge. When you prioritize seeking my kingdom and my righteousness, I will faithfully provide all that you require. My blessings are not limited to material wealth. They encompass overflowing peace, uncontainable joy, and unconditional, everlasting love. I will strengthen your relationships, restore harmony to your home, and infuse your days with purpose and meaning, my beloved. And you will witness tangible evidence of my unwavering faithfulness in every sphere of your existence. When you encounter trials and tribulations, know that they are opportunities for growth, for refinement, for the strengthening of your spirit, enabling you to stand firm in unwavering faith and overcome every challenge with the invincible power of my spirit. Consecrate time each day to abide with me, to listen attentively for my still, small voice, to pour out your heart's deepest longings and concerns before me. I yearn for an intimate, abiding relationship with you, not merely in moments of crisis or desperation, but in every breath, in every heartbeat, in every moment of your existence. As you create space for me in your life, you will discover that I have been your constant companion all along, guiding you, loving you, whispering my eternal truths into the depths of your soul. My abiding presence will sustain you, empowering you to face each day with renewed hope, unwavering courage, and unshakable confidence. Let me be the unshakable foundation upon which you build your life, your relationships, your dreams. Walk hand in hand with me, and I will unveil pathways that no human power can obstruct, and I will lead you into a life overflowing with divine purpose, unwavering peace, and unimaginable blessings. Be steadfast, beloved. The path may at times feel shrouded in uncertainty, but I am your constant guide, your unwavering light. Do not succumb to fear or apprehension about what lies ahead, for I am always before you, preparing the way, smoothing the path, and ensuring your ultimate triumph. My love for you is unshakable, a fortress against the storms of life. My promises are unbreakable, a beacon of hope in the darkest night. Even when tempests rage and trials threaten to overwhelm you, you are eternally secure in my tender care. And I will lavish upon you blessings that surpass your wildest dreams, blessings that overflow with my grace, my goodness, and my unfailing love. Remain close to me, and you will witness your home transformed into a sanctuary of my love, your heart overflowing with my unshakable peace, and your life shining brightly as a living testament to my unwavering faithfulness. You are deeply, profoundly, eternally loved, forever cherished, and never, ever alone. Let your unwavering faith be the radiant light that illuminates your path through the deepest darkness. For I am with you always, holding you close, comforting you, strengthening you, and whispering words of eternal love into the depths of your soul. You were created for extraordinary things, for boundless joy, for a life overflowing with my abundant goodness. Never, ever doubt the magnitude of my love, for it is eternal, unwavering, and boundless. I love you with an everlasting love, a love that knows no limits, a love that will never fail. I am your wellspring of living water, your ever-present God, your faithful shepherd, the only one who can truly satisfy the deepest longings of your heart and bestow upon you the authentic peace and everlasting love that you desperately need. Embrace your true identity. You are my beloved child, my precious creation. Spread your wings and soar to the heights I have destined for you. I have instilled within you a divine purpose, a reason to persevere, to overcome, to thrive. I have called you out of the darkness, out of the shadows of despair, to illuminate you with the radiant brilliance of my light. Arise, shine, and embrace the fullness of life I have prepared for you. My glory, my power, my presence will be evident upon you. Take your rightful place beside me. Embrace your responsibilities, your challenges, your calling, and embark on this incredible journey of faith. A journey where you will no longer be shackled by the crippling emotions and paralyzing fears that once held you captive, bound you, and limited you. I have not promised you an easy, effortless path. However, I have already secured countless victories on your behalf, triumphs that will pave the way for your ultimate success. The day is swiftly approaching when my voice will stir your spirit to its very core, and you will stand firm, resolute, and unshakable in your conviction. Embrace courage. On that momentous day, when you are fully prepared to confront the trials and tribulations that lie before you, the very instant you heed my divine command, my celestial armies, my legions of angels, will surround you in a heartbeat, shattering the chains of bondage, lifting the crushing burdens of despair, and silencing every insidious whisper of doubt, discouragement, and defeat. Nothing, absolutely nothing, that is arrayed against you will prosper or prevail. And those who have sought to hinder your progress, to obstruct your path, to derail your destiny, will be exposed for their true nature, their malicious intent revealed for all to see. Abide steadfastly in this overflowing river of blessing, this current of divine favor. Bow your head in reverence, for I am anointing you with my sacred oil, consecrating you, setting you apart for a purpose far grander, far more significant than you can presently comprehend. Seek me in your moments of weariness, when your spirit feels depleted and your strength drained. Within my loving hands, I hold the life-giving waters of eternal refreshment. Come, drink deeply, immerse yourself in my presence, and I will revive you, restore you, and renew your strength. Do not waste your time and energy chasing after empty wells, pursuing fleeting pleasures and hollow promises that offer momentary satisfaction, but ultimately leave you parched and thirsting for true fulfillment. You possess an intimate knowledge of my spirit. You are attuned to the subtle nuances of my voice. Each and every day, I diligently pour my life-giving word into the depths of your heart, strengthening you, equipping you, and preparing you for the incredible journey that lies ahead. Do not settle for anything less than the extraordinary destiny I have ordained for you. Do not be deceived by imitations of truth, by hollow substitutes, or by enticing words that lack the substance of my abiding presence. Trust in me with unwavering,